Oh my god, it's getting heavier. I can't even see out with my glasses right now. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, I think, and we're in a museum right now. We're in the Field Museum. It's pretty cool. Look at this. Just like all old things, I think. Like what animals would have been like at that time, so it's like stuffed animals. It's pretty cool. So the cool thing that I was talking about yesterday that we were meant to do was go on kayaks, but that didn't happen because it turned out to be very expensive. So. And we might do it next week. I really wanted to do it, so we'll see. Wow, look at this view. It's sad that the majority of these animals went extinct once upon a time because of humans. That makes me sad.
Good friends who have lived together for a while love to be the first to spot something.
It's so creepy that these are all just dead animals. Like as in like taxidermy. Look at the size of him. Imagine that coming at you. That's what came at Leo when it tore him apart. Did you see that movie?
Yeah.
Oh, these are cool. But they're extinct. Oh, they've polar bears. Wow. It makes me sad that these are nearly extinct because there's no more ice. I'm not working. Oh, there we go. Whoa. That is amazing. Look at that. It's crazy. So cool. I don't even know what that thing is. I've seen human things. Oh, they're not human, they're monkeys. It's an orangutan. Chimpanzee. Gorilla. Human. I dare you to open that.
No, I'm scared.
Oh, it's me! I'm the most unusual primate.
You're an animal too, a member of the primate group. These are some of your special features. You have more hair than chimpanzees, but they're so short and fine that you can barely see them. You walk upright in two limbs and you depend on others for food and shelter.
I swear these all come alive at night, like night in the museum. Ah, orangutan, you're nearly extinct. That's a deadly animal. Windows. wonder where that's from. So cool. This is so cool. I'd love to see Egypt. It'd be so interesting. Oh, how's this? Oh, it's a kid. It's kind of creepy. Do you remember that film? And it was like the son of Egypt or something, and it was basically like he was Jesus, I think. Maybe he wasn't Jesus, it was Moses. What was it called? The cartoon? Prince of Egypt. That's what this reminds me of. That was so good.
Insects. Travel songs about the log. Animals, eggs, salmon, ocean, white fish.
Whales.
Lizards. Yeah. It's like a lot. Why do we say whales? Whales are mammals. Whatever. Same thing. I'm gonna say beetles.
Yeah, cockroaches. Fish. We're so wrong. Oh, it's a lava lamp. How fast does a C4 spread? 4 inches every year.
How old is Hawaiian Islands?
I want to say 2,000.
I'm gonna say 3.
73 million. Right, a bit far off. Ring of fire! That's it, Finding Nemo. The Ring of Fire!
Shark big.
Hoo-ha. Shark bait. Hoo-ha. Mount Fuji. Everest.
It's not. It's. Yeah. Yeah, good news, not Everest. Everest is the highest above sea level.
Oh. I was going to say. It's Dory. Oh my god, we found you. We just have the whole cast here. Oh, this is all I came for. That's my favourite. He's my favourite dinosaur. It's so cool. So we're finishing the museum now. It was really good. I think we left it too late to go because it was really interesting and we had to leave because it was closed at 5. Because that's when the sun sets and all the animals come alive and then walk around the museum. That's a joke, it's from Night at the Museum. It was really interesting, I thought, anyway. Some of the taxidermy stuff was a bit weird, but you know. We're now at this place looking at the skyline. It's pretty cool. So it's pouring down rain right now and we're just walking home. We actually don't care because we missed the rain. It's so weird. It's so nice. So we're only a little bit wet, that's all. Oh my god, it's getting heavier. I can't even see out with my glasses right now. Okay, we just got back from walking home and it absolutely downpoured. We are soaking. Watch this. Yeah. Soaking. It was so funny. I couldn't take the camera out though because it was raining that bad that like we couldn't even see and the camera would have got ruined. But it was the funniest thing ever because it was like blinding us and we couldn't see where we were going. It was so funny. Look at the ground. It's soaking.
I have to hair dry my shoes.
My bag is completely soaked. So we're going to need to shower now and get dry. So everything got soaking in our walk because my bag is that wet. And my Polaroid camera. It got wet and all in here is wet. And these are like soaking. That's a full pack of coloured ones. I really hope it's okay. I'm just gonna let it dry in this blanket. And everything else got soaked. I really hope my Polaroid camera's okay.
They say